Hey everyone, welcome to Najib Digital. Today, we're diving into the basics of web development. We'll talk about HTML and CSS, the difference between static and dynamic websites, and show you how powerful these tools can be when used together. Let's get started. First up, HTML, which stands for Hypertext Markup Language. It's the standard language used to create and design documents on the web. HTML structures the content on your web page, like text, images, and links. Think of it as the skeleton of a website. Here's a simple HTML code. We have the doctype HTML declaration that defines the document type, followed by the HTML tag that contains all the content. The head section includes meta information like the page title, and the body section contains the visible content such as headings and paragraphs. Now let's talk about CSS, which stands for Cascading Style Sheets. CSS is used to style and lay out web pages. While HTML gives structure, CSS adds style, such as colors, fonts, and spacing. It's like the skin and makeup on our skeleton. Here's a basic CSS file. We define styles for the body, H1 and P elements. The background color property sets the background color of the web page. The H1 tag is styled with a navy color and the Arial font. The P tag is styled with a dark gray color and a larger font size. So, what's the difference between static and dynamic websites? A static website is one that is fixed and doesn't change in real time. It's built entirely with HTML and CSS. Once a static website is loaded in a browser, it remains the same until the developer updates the code. On the other hand, a dynamic website can display different content and provide user interaction by using server-side languages like PHP, Python, or JavaScript. As you can see, HTML and CSS form the foundation of web development. By using HTML for structure and CSS for style, you can create visually appealing static websites. Although static websites are simpler and faster to develop, combining them with dynamic elements can create interactive and engaging user experiences. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more web development tutorials. See you next time.